Okay, we're going to go over a little bit of a lesson, reviewing, reminding us all about our adding. I know we've been doing it on our papers for the last couple of weeks, and let's just refresh our memory. You'll notice in the background over there, I have my Ava Kate. She's sitting in a chair playing a video, and underneath you might see Luke's legs. So just don't pay attention to them. Graham is my cameraman right now, so he's in charge of the video. So let's go over. I have my green marker pointer today, very professional. Here we go. So let's talk about addition. That is doing some adding. Let's go back all the way to the very beginning of school and let's talk about what all of our numbers are called. You might have been saying these things to your moms and dads and they may not have understood you, or you may have forgotten them, and I'm going to review with you. So let's talk about them. If we're talking about just a single number, we call those children. So just a number like 1, 0, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8, those are just single numbers. We call them children. Okay, but if we get to the teens, we call those the teenagers. And you'll always hear the teen word and all of the numbers except for 2. Do you remember which 2 numbers those are? It's 11 and 12. 11 does not say the word teen, but it is still a teenager. And 12 does not say it either, but it is still a teenager number. We can recognize a teenager number because there will always have a 1 in front of them. So 11, 13, 17, those are just examples of teenager numbers. So all of those that have a 1 at the beginning, they're teenager numbers. Okay? Do you remember what a father is called in our family of numbers? A father number is the beginning number of each family. So the 10, the 20, the 30, the 40, all the way up through the numbers, the 70, the 80, the 90. They're called the father of that family because it's the first number that opens up that family. So the father numbers, there's some examples, all those numbers. Twins. We talk about twins all the time. Twins are numbers that flip-flop. So I've given you an example. 1 plus 7 and 7 plus 1. Those are called twin numbers because they're the same numbers, you just flip-flop around. Remember, twins look just alike. Even boy and girl twins favor a lot. That means they have a lot of similarities. So in real life, when you're looking at twins, you know they can flip-flop. 1 and 7 and 7 and 1 is the same math problem. The numbers are just flip-flopped. So it's just teaching you how to recognize the same math problem, just flipped. Okay? Doubles. This is kind of something that's not in every single problem, but it could be very easily spotted, easier than all the others. Doubles. 4 plus 4. Double means 2, so the number's written twice. 5 plus 5, 1 plus 1. There's some just examples. 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. 100 plus 100. Yeah, that's a double. Here we go. Families. Families are usually 3 numbers because you have 2 numbers that are added together and then you have the answer. And you'll see these are twin families. See how they're twin families. 2 plus 4 is 6, but then I flipped it and made the twin family. 4 plus 2 is 6. It's still the same problem, same numbers, they're just flipped around and different. It kind of helps down the road when you get into 1st grade and 2nd grade and 3rd grade to remember, oh yeah, it's the same answer. I don't even have to think about it. It's just flipped around. And then here is a big example of how to do a fact family, because all of these parts of the family lead up to one great big whole family, just like your family. You have a mom and you have a dad and you have brothers and sisters and you have all these other parts. Well, you have all these parts. So here is an example of a 10 family. 10 family. We're going to start with a 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10. And then we do the twin, flip it around, 9 plus 1 is 10. Then we have 2 plus 8 and 8 plus 2. 3 plus 7 and 7 plus 3. 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4. Those are all twins, and I just realized that I forgot something. Can you believe that? I'm going to grab my marker. I forgot 0. I can't believe I forgot that. 0 plus 10 is 10, and 10 plus 0 is 10. I think you guys tried to trick me in the video because you're always trying to trick me in class. Did you guys try to trick me? I think so. Maybe not. I just forgot about it. But then we forgot one last thing at the end, a double. We have one double in this. Now remember, we have learned about this in class over and over and over. Not all of your math problems and your families will have a double. When you're adding on your papers and your worksheets and things like that, you won't always see a double. But this one has a double, and it is a good example. So use this video as a help, as a guide, and if you need me, you can call me, send me a message, and I'll guide you through it if you need any help. Just let me know. Love you.